What's up, you guys? We got a new stock here for you today that we're going to be doing some technical analysis on. It's going to be ticker symbol PLTR, Palantir Technologies. This is a stock that I recently bought myself into because I believe in the company. They've actually been getting a lot of government contracts and everything like that. I know ARK Invest holds a pretty hefty position in it and is pretty darn bullish on the stock. So I figured I'd hop in on it. But basically, Palantir is one of the companies that I personally think we're easily going to see just blow up here in the next year. So without further ado, let's hop on over here into the chart and let's do some technical analysis. But actually, before we do the technical analysis, I need you to do me a favor. Just like the RSI here that's blue, I need you to make that like button blue while you're at it. When it's gray, it's all sad, and we don't really like sad things. We only like happy things. So make that like button light up for me. Make sure that subscribe button's hit as well, and the bell is rung as well also for notifications when I post all these stock analysis videos. So without enough pitch, might have another one for you later, but let's hop into this. All right. So basically, Palantir has been really struggling. It was one of the companies that was really hit hard by this market correction, and it's been trying to make movements. I mean, it really doesn't help that on Thursday, the economy pretty much the stock market really decided to pull an Uno reverse on us from Wednesday. I mean, we can hop out here to the 5-day immediately, and you can see that we had a really, really bullish day on Wednesday. And then on Thursday, we pretty much just gave up everything that we got out of Wednesday. So, but let's go ahead and hop back on here to the 1 minute, 1 day chart. So pretty much off the rip, like I said, Uno reverse started just going down, and we did have this downward channel pretty much the whole entire day. Tested, oversold right off the open, try to have a little bounce back, and then we tested, oversold again. But really what was great during this whole entire time, besides breaking through the trend line here, we really only tested, oversold once, and we almost tested it twice, but we literally touched, what is this, 30.5. So we just barely didn't touch oversold, but we did break out of this downward bull flag here, and we had a bullish movement to the upside. So, which was really great because we pretty much now have formed a new support here within the day around $22.80. So that was really great because we bounced here once. We had a pretty nice pull up, and then we had a bounce again off of it. So, and then we had that engulfing candlestick pattern. So we did have that red candle followed by that green candlestick. So that's a good trend reversion right there to indicate that we were headed in that upwards bullish direction again. So, but overall, I mean, we did finish down because the overall market was down, but I mean, it was only down 0.94%. So I really can't complain that. We're also looking at 51 million in volume versus 84 million in volume. So we definitely didn't have as much volume also. So let's go ahead here and hop out to the 5-day, 5-minute. As you can really see here, I mean, over the past couple of days, we really were affected by this general market correction. And I mean, we were down at 2086, and on Thursday, we touched $24. Like, we can't complain about this movement. I mean, it's a great movement, and it shows that there's a lot of people who support the stock and a lot of people that believe in the stock too. So, but really what I'm looking at here is I'm looking at what are we going to do, because we've had this point, and let's actually go out to the month chart because we'll really be able to see it more. It seems like when we have these positions of getting here at the support at 2280, either if we have that bullish momentum, which right now the MACD is indicating that we are in bearish territory because we're getting ready to cross back over the equilibrium, go to the downside. Also, the signal is above the MACD. And then when we do look at the RSI here, come on RSI, thank you. We are sitting at 46, which is technically just below neutral. So we aren't oversold, but we are definitely not headed towards the bullish area. So really the huge thing that I'm gonna be looking for here on Monday is what are we going to do? Are we going to test our support here at 2280, and then really at 2280 it's going to become that inflection point? Are we going to have that? Are we going to just bounce and use it as support and then test up here at 2356, which really is going to be our next level of resistance, given back here on the 24th and 23rd was the last time that we touched that level of resistance. So that's what I'm going to be looking for Palantir here on Monday, is just, can we hold 2280? If we can hold 2280, it's going to be good for the stock. But if we just fall through 2280, I mean, after that, it's might be 2242, because we've had a couple of days of trading right here on this line, it seems. But after that, really, this 2103 is going to be our support. Like, it seems to be where the stock pretty much goes. Once you break 2280, it's $21 real quick. So, but I mean, we're looking bearish here on the MACD. We're looking bearish. Can we go out to the 3-month and hopefully get a better indicator? Not really, but I mean, as you can see here, really 2103 was our support once, twice, 3 times, 4 times. So, and then we had a day of trading on it all the way back here, 1124. So, I mean, it's not ideal, but when we take a look, I mean, we're here on the, let's do the 3-month. What am I doing? When we're looking at the 3-month here, we're sitting at 51.24 on the RSI. So sitting just above neutral, but we do have the signal. We do have the MACD crossing over the signal, which is technically a bearish indicator. So hopefully on Monday, we can have the market not decide to pull an Uno reverse on us, or maybe it does pull another Uno reverse and says, hey, all right, we're actually going back up. The correction's over. April does tend to be a very bullish month for the market. So hopefully we have the start of a very bullish month and start making back all those gains that we had in losses because of the past 6 weeks, essentially. So I'm hoping that the market correction's over, because I mean, I hold pretty much all tech. I do hold a little recovery, and I do have several dividend stocks, but I mean, for the most part, my portfolio is red probably about 6% right now. So hopefully we can get this bounce back and we can get growth stocks and we can get tech stocks rebounding and getting back to those all-time highs. I'd really like it. And I'm sure a lot of people would too. So, but if you have any questions or anything like that, or any questions about how I draw my support lines, trend lines, and all that kind of stuff, feel free to just drop a question down below. I'm reading all comments, responding back to them, either positive or negative. So thank you guys so much for watching the video. But before you go, if you can do me a favor, smash that like button, hit that subscribe button, ring that bell for the YouTube algorithm. And then also I have a referral link down below. The link is to Webull. It's the desktop trading platform that I am using here, where I do all my technical analysis, and I actually hold my whole entire portfolio here on Webull. It's a great platform. You get 2 free stocks, when you sign up, the other one when you deposit $100 on the platform. And those stocks can be valued anywhere between $8 and $1,600. When you do sign up using my referral code, I do get a free stock as well, because that is my affiliate link. So thank you so much for watching. See you guys in the next one.